Welcome to Satish Neer Subol's exercise regime for diabetics management. Today we are on day 3 of the advanced level. In the last 2 days we have done lower body and core, and today we are focusing on the upper body. So let's welcome Manish. Let's get going. Thank you.
Are you ready to beat diabetes? So, are you ready for a change? Are you ready to sweat it out? 3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone. So today we'll start with a warm-up. So as warm-up is always important and essential. If you had did earlier session of our beginner level, you had seen we had did very light warm-up also. So this will be because you had did for the month, more than month you had did all these exercises. Now you are doing this. So hope this warm-up will be for next level of your exercises, which we will be showing further. Yeah? So let's start with the warm-up. We will start from the head to toe. Slowly we will take all the body parts, we will mobilize it, loosen it. Yeah? Okay, let's start with the head. Up down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change left right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, side bend dynamically. 1, 2. Yeah, good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, we will do the front, back, up, back. Front, back. Got it? Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Next one, alternate toe touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, 1, 2. इससे आपका ग्रोइंग मोबिलाइज होएगा, and it is very important to mobilize your groin before doing, because feet and groins are the ignored part. Yeah, relax. Next one, we will do the hip rotation. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next one, calf raises. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Next one, for your ankle, up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left right, same leg. If you want, left right. If you want, take support 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. With the another leg, we will do the rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3. If you want to take support, please take it. Not any issue. Relax. दूसरा पैर. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Next one we will do for the hamstring. We will loosen the hamstring muscle. Just you have to stand and bend down. Your knee should be locked and swing. He will show. Yes. Make sure your knee should be locked. Yeah, you start. Yeah, you just swinging the hand. Make sure you are getting the stretch in your hamstring. You are loosening the hamstring muscles. Yeah, relax. Next one we will do few kicks. Front kick. 1, 2. आराम से करो. अगर आपसे नहीं होता है, कम होता है, चलेगा. इतना किया चलेगा. हाँ, कम किया तो भी चलेगा. बट लेग शुड बी स्ट्रेट. और पैर को टच करने के लिए अपने बॉडी को नीचे मत लेकर आओ. यस, दूसरे पैर का फ्रंट किक. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch to another leg. Sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Spot jog. 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next one, jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, butt kick. You have to swing your hand. See his leg movement. He's trying to pull his leg behind and kicking behind as much as possible. Relax. Next one and the last one, we will do the high knee. Do it with the low intensity. First hold low intensity. Yeah, relax. Yes. इतना किया तो भी चलेगा. और जो थोड़ा और ऊपर फिर धीरे जितना, yes, इतना भी चलेगा. Don't do more than this. Yeah, you will do the relax. Okay, we are done with the warm up. Now we will start with our workout. Thank you. Hello. So today, now we will going to do upper body workout. He is Ashish. He will demonstrate all the workout, how to do it, and again he is masters in all the workout. So that's why I selected him for doing the upper body workout. So yeah, Ashish, ready? Yeah. So most of the exercises he will also show and he will only do. So you just follow him. Yeah, the way he is doing. Let's see what he have in the plan. Yeah. So the first one, again in this series also, we will do with the push-ups. The push-ups is the basic of your upper body workout. He will show with the knee also. Yeah, he is just showing. Yeah, do the normal push-up. Go down. Come up. Yes. This is what normal push-ups. But one can't do. Then they can touch their knee on the ground. Yeah, shoot other way. Yes. You see his body from knee to shoulder. Everything is inclined in one line. Yeah, this is very important. Yeah, it has to be like this. Huh? Okay, hope you got it. We will do show the workout. Yeah, now let's start. 3, 2, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Very nice. Yes. अभी ये हमारा फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज हुआ. Now next exercise we will do the Hindu Surya Namaskar. Yeah, or we can tell Hindu push-ups. Yeah, how to do it? He will show. Ashish, yes, please. Yes. He will just go down and come up like the Bhujangasana position. Yeah, coming up again. He will go back, just lifting the hip and going down slowly. Yeah. Come up. Yeah. Just hold it for a second. If you want, you will get the break. And you can relax, relax. This is how you have to do. Yeah. Let's get ready. We will do together. Yeah. 3, 2, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, last 15 seconds, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Very nice. Next one, we will do high plank to side plank. High plank to side plank. How to do? He will show. Yeah, show. Yeah, come one of the side. Yes. You just have to go to the side plank. See, hip is not too down. It is just stable. Have to stand and go down slowly. Yes. Again, you have to come back from the same side. Same side. Same side. Same side. Yeah. We will do one at a time. Relax. And then again go down. Yeah. Relax. Okay. Ready? Ready, Ashish?
Ready.
Yeah, as usual. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Same side, no?
10. Yeah. 11, 12, 13, 14. Do it very slowly. Count doesn't matter. कितना count कर रहे हैं. That's why he is doing slow. So you can understand the importance. So, आप जब वर्कआउट कर रहे हो तो खुद पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करो. So you will be knowing what you are doing wrong. Yes. Last 8 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Yeah? 10 सेकेंड का ब्रेक ले लो, फिर दूसरा साइड करेंगे. सेम वर्कआउट बट विद द अदर साइड. या यू कैन कीप योर लेग दिस साइड. या लेट्स स्टार्ट. 3, 2, स्टार्ट. स्टार्ट. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Very nice. Next one, we will do low plank to high plank. And come this side. Where you get more space. Yeah, low plank to high plank. Just show them how to do it. Pehla low plank. See your position. Shoulder, elbow in one line. Shoulder, hip, heel in one line. Yes. अगेन यू हैव टू, मतलब आपका जहाँ पे एल्बो था वहाँ पे आपका भी पाम आएगा, अभी जहाँ पे पाम है वहाँ पे एल्बो आएगा, ही विल शो गो डाउन, जहाँ पे पाम वहाँ पे एल्बो आ गया, ऐसे अल्टरनेट चेंज करते रहना है। या होप एवरीवन गॉट इट, नो डाउट। या अगर डाउट है ये जब करेंगे अभी फिर से स्टार्ट करेंगे हम लोग वर्कआउट, तो आप लोग साथ में करना, आप लोगों को समझ जाएगा। यस लेट्स स्टार्ट, लेट्स स्टार्ट। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, last 15 seconds, 14 13 12 11 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Relax. Very nice, Ashish. You are doing superbly. If you will do half of it also, it is really great. If you want in between, you can take a break. Yeah. Now we will do the last workout of this set. That is diamond push-ups. Diamond push-ups. या डायमंड मतलब ऐसे हम लोग हाथ से ऐसे ही डायमंड बना सकते हैं, या 6 हेक्सागोनल नहीं बना सकते तो हम लोग भी ऐसे बनाएंगे। या तो हमेशा ऐसा बनाना है, ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है। हाँ थोड़ा दूर रख के ही दिखाओ, सो दे विल अंडरस्टैंड। शो या इन्होंने थोड़ा दूर रखा है, सो यू कैन डू इट। या गो डाउन, यस बट टू डू लाइक पुशअप्स, गो डाउन एंड यू हैव टू कम अप। या रिलैक्स रिलैक्स। होप एवरीवन गॉट इट, कैसे करना है। या आपके हाथ का डिज़ाइन, डायमंड का डिज़ाइन कैसा रहेगा वो आपको अपने स्ट्रेंथ के ऊपर डिसाइड करना है। कोई इतना रखेगा, कोई इतना, कोई इतना, कोई पूरा रखेगा। यस, सो डिसाइड अकॉर्डिंगली। ये आपको एकदम बिगिनर लेवल से ये ऐसे करके नहीं करेंगे, सो यू मे बी ऑल्सो ट्राइंग लाइक दिस, सो ही विल कीप लिटिल गैप, यू ऑल्सो कीप लिटिल गैप एट द स्टार्ट मोमेंट, देन स्लोली यू कैन प्रोग्रेस। या लेट्स स्टार्ट। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 15 14 13 12 11 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 wow wow very nice Ashish, great, well done, बहुत बढ़िया। Yeah, hope you guys enjoy doing workout with Ashish. Yes, he will again come for the next upper body workout. Yeah. As we finish our workout, it is always important to the cool down. As had explained earlier also, cool down is very important. Yeah, so we'll do the cool down also from your head to toe. We will show each exercise from head to toe will be 10 seconds, but you can do, if you have more time, you can do it for 20 to 30 seconds also. Yeah, this will make your body relaxed. You will feel like you can do all the workout again. Yeah, that is what the magic of the cool down or limbo. Yeah, okay. Let's start. Ready for the
Yes,
cool down?
yes.
Yeah. Let's start with the head. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Up. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Next one. Yeah, perfect. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Other side. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. One we will do for the triceps. Yes, have to pull down like this. Yes. The way he is doing. You will get the stretch here. 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2, 1. Other side, other side, other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, we will do side bend hold. क्या? Static side bend रहेगा, hold रखेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side, other side, other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, forward bend like this. आपके हिप को पीछे की तरफ स्ट्रेच करना है. आपको हैमस्ट्रिंग में स्ट्रेच आएगा. 1, 2. ये देखो, ये हिप को पीछे की तरफ स्ट्रेच कर रहा हूँ. तो आपको he is showing in the other direction. हिप को पीछे डायरेक्शन में ये किए तो आपके हैमस्ट्रिंग में स्ट्रेच आएगा. Yes. Relax, relax. Now next one, go down in the center. Go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, he will show for the hip like this. In the lunges position, but static. होल्ड रखेंगे. आपके हिप और ग्लूट्स दोनों में स्ट्रेच आएगा. हील ग्राउंड पे टच नहीं रहेगा. हील ग्राउंड पे टच नहीं रहेगा. अपर बॉडी स्ट्रेट है. आगे वाला पैर 90 डिग्री है. पीछे वाला पैर भी एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं. 4, 3, 2, 1. या दूसरे साइड करेंगे. अभी दूसरे साइड. 1, 2. अपर बॉडी स्ट्रेट. knee 90 डिग्री. पीछे वाला पैर एक्सटेंड. हील डाउन टच नहीं है. रिलैक्स. नेक्स्ट वन, फॉरवर्ड बेंड. हाथ ऐसे ऊपर लेंगे और नीचे जाएंगे. आप गो डाउन स्लोली. यस. नी लॉक है. लेग स्ट्रेट है. आपको हैमस्ट्रिंग में स्ट्रेच आएगा. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बस अगर कोई अपना फोरहेड नी को टच कर सकता है वो भी कर सकते हैं. रिलैक्स, रिलैक्स. अभी एक बैक के लिए करेंगे. गो बैक. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. आप लोग जितना कर सकते हैं उतना ही करना. रिलैक्स, रिलैक्स, रिलैक्स. नेक्स्ट वन, वी विल डू वन फॉर द ग्लूट्स. पैर ऐसे करेंगे और सिट डाउन. जितना भी नीचे बैक साइड. परफेक्ट. 1, 2. एक जगह पे देखो तो आपका कॉन्सेंट्रेट करोगे ना एक जगह पे तो आपका हो जाएगा. 5, 4, 3, 2. अभी दूसरे पैर के लिए करेंगे. या विल डू फॉर द अनदर लेग. स्टार्ट. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. One we will do for the groin. One we will do for the groin. Sit down like this and just stretch. आपके एल्बो से थाइस को बाहर की तरफ पुश करना है. 1, 2. You will feel the stretch in your groin. Groins मतलब ये part. Just you will feel the stretch there. Relax. That is most ignored part while doing any of the workout. Either warm up, cool down. So we had purposely included in our program. One we will do for the quads. You will just lift it. Again, आप एक जगह पे देखो नहीं होता है तो आप बैलेंस ले सकते हो. दीवार से चलेगा. या 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. दूसरे पैर के लिए करेंगे. दूसरे पैर के लिए 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one we will do Trikonasana. क्रॉस ट्राइंगल पोज, परफेक्ट. ऊपर देखना है स्काई पे, यस. आप घर में कर रहे हो तो सीलिंग पे देखिए. 4 5 6 7 8 9. अदर साइड. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Next one, we will do few sitting exercises, sitting stretches. यहाँ पे बैठ जाओ, आपका पैर इधर आएगा. Perfect. अभी just both the legs straight, both the legs straight. Perfect. Just bend down, forward bend. Again, आपका जो ये पैर है, ये जितना ग्राउंड की तरफ रहेगा उतना अच्छा है. या 5 4 3 2 1. रिलैक्स. या बटरफ्लाई, बटरफ्लाई. थोड़ा मैट पे आ जाओ. नाउ जस्ट swing it. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. एक कैट कैमल करेंगे. कैट कैमल. एंड जस्ट आर्च, आर्च. देखिए कैसे आर्च कर रहे हैं. यस. देन अगेन do 4 to 5 times. Yes, but do it very slowly. This is for relaxing your back. This is very good for your back. Yes, so you must do it. Yeah, relax. Next one, you will sit in the Vajrasan. Vajrasan. Sit. Yeah. Just press your body. Just press your body. Yes. Just sit down for 10 to 20 seconds. हम लोग 10 सेकेंड के लिए ही करेंगे. Relax. Come up. The last one we will do with the breathing exercise. Inhale up करेंगे और exhale down करेंगे. इनहेल अप, मतलब वो सांस अंदर लेके ऊपर जा रहे हैं और सांस छोड़ेंगे तो नीचे आ रहे हैं. वेरी स्लोली विथ हिज ब्रीदिंग रिदम. उनका हाथ भी ऊपर जा रहा है और ब्रीदिंग रिदम से ही जैसे एक्सेल कर रहे हैं डाउन हो रहे हैं. इनहेल ले रहे हैं तो ऊपर, एक्सेल तो डाउन. या रिलैक्स. होप यू एंजॉयड द सेशन. And if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe it for more updates. We will keep posting many more videos for you and many other elements also. Yeah, thank you.